Audio CD 1, Track 10. Word focus. 1. Cruise. The plane is cruising at a steady speed.
2. Altitude. I have problems breathing at high altitudes.
3. Fasten. Can you show me how to fasten this seatbelt?
4. Spicy. I love to eat spicy dishes, especially Mexican food.
5. Bounce. The car bounced up and down the rocky road.
6. Turbulence. We are experiencing some turbulence, so please return to your seat.
7. Faint. It was so hot that several people fainted.